Baby, yo, babe. I mean, shit getting weird. Come on, baby. It's hot outside. You fucking wrapped up in that blanket. Let's go jog on the beach.
Cassie filed a lawsuit against Diddy in federal court on November 16th, accusing the prominent hip-hop figure of rape and a decade-long pattern of abuse that began when she was 19 years old. The R&B singer, who was previously signed to Diddy's label, Bad Boy Records, brought forth allegations including sex trafficking, human trafficking, sexual battery, sexual assault, and gender-motivated violence. The lawsuit claimed that Diddy's controlling behavior commenced in 2005, when they first met. Upon signing a deal with Diddy's record label the following year, he allegedly exercised complete control over various aspects of her life, such as her apartment, car, clothing, and even her medical records. In an effort to dominate and manipulate her, the lawsuit further suggested that Diddy targeted rapper Kid Cudi, who briefly dated Cassie in 2011 during a tumultuous period in her relationship with Diddy.
Just one day after filing the lawsuit, Cassie reached a settlement with Diddy out of court. The legal action detailed several instances of abuse perpetrated by Diddy, including rape, battery, and coercion of sex acts with male sex workers. Cassie depicted Diddy as a classic abuser who initially presented himself as a fatherly and protective figure, but eventually subjected her to an unequal and violent sexual relationship. Allegedly, Diddy used intimidation tactics such as damaging property and making violent threats to maintain control over Cassie. She refrained from reporting the abuse to the police out of fear that it was only provoking further harm.
The lawsuit portrayed Cassie's decade-long ordeal with Diddy as a cycle of abuse, violence, and sex trafficking, highlighting instances of physical harm and psychological manipulation. Cassie claimed that she suffered memory loss due to substance abuse and experienced suicidal thoughts during her relationship with Diddy. The court documents indicated that Diddy's network of companies and associates actively participated in enabling the abuse. Cassie sought unspecified compensatory damages in the lawsuit.
Among the disturbing allegations, Cassie claimed that Diddy forced her to participate in freak-offs involving engaging in sex acts with male sex workers while he observed. These encounters allegedly occurred for years in upscale hotels across the country, with Diddy documenting them through photos and videos. Cassie, at times, resorted to deleting videos on her phone, only finding herself to forcibly watching the footage later. One particularly distressing incident in 2016 involved Diddy allegedly paying a hotel $50,000 to erase surveillance footage of him assaulting Cassie, after Cassie giving her a black eye.
In response to the lawsuit, Diddy denied the allegations, stating that Cassie endured over a decade of his violent behavior and disturbed demands. The legal filing implicated Diddy's associated business entities, including Bad Boy Entertainment, Bad Boy Records, Epic Records, Combs Enterprises, and Docor, suggesting widespread complicity in the allegations. The lawsuit also detailed Diddy's purported retaliation against Kid Cudi in 2012, claiming that Diddy orchestrated the destruction of Cudi's car in response to his brief relationship with Cassie. Kid Cudi confirmed the account in a statement to the New York Times. The most recent incident outlined in the lawsuit involved Diddy allegedly forcing his way into Cassie's home and raping her in 2018, prompting her to end the relationship for good. Cassie terminated her association with Bad Boy Records in 2019. The settlement between Cassie and Diddy was reached just one day after the lawsuit was filed, with Diddy expressing a desire to resolve the matter amicably. His spokesperson emphasized that settling does not imply an admission of wrongdoing on Diddy's part.
Cassie filed her civil suit under the Adult Survivors Act, a New York law allowing victims of sexual abuse who were 18 or older at the time of the alleged abuse a one-year window to bring cases after any statutes of limitations have expired. Cassie cited the expiration of this window as a crucial opportunity to speak up about the trauma she experienced and emphasized the importance of holding her abuser and those who enabled the abuse accountable. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to share and comment your opinion on this, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video.